Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. The S&P 500 was down 0.3% today, predominantly driven by Apple. Apple's a large company, obviously, one of the biggest on the indexes. And the indexes like the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ are market cap weighted, just meaning that the bigger the company, the more impact it has on an index. So when Apple's having trouble, the market's going to look like it's having trouble. Now, the Dow is actually up today. The Dow uses a different weighting methodology based on price. And so Apple doesn't have as much impact on Dow. And actually, the Dow index was up today. So that's kind of interesting. But what happened with Apple started, a couple of days ago here. They've actually lost $200 billion worth of their market cap because China has announced some curbs on the use of iPhones. And of course, this is, China's a big consumer market. I believe, we'll probably see some recovery here as things settle down. But, this is the ongoing back and forth between the U.S. and China over different technology issues and what have you, too. So, we'll see how this plays out. But altogether, today was, not a lot happening. I think the market's going to be kind of waiting here for, what's going to happen with the Federal Reserve this month. The expectation is that they won't be raising rates. And obviously, we'll see how that plays out. But if you look at the, bigger picture, we have had 3 higher highs since October of last year. We've had 3, maybe 4, depends if you want to count the last one as a low yet, higher lows since last October also. So our uptrend is definitely intact. We haven't gotten close to having a downtrend get into a newer, lower low, because it's kind of one of the things you look for amongst many others. It's a simple one. And so we're in a bull market. The 50-day moving average is going up. The 200-day moving average is going up, all of these things. And we've just been basically trading in a sideways motion here. September seasonally is the worst month of the year on average. Doesn't mean you'll have a bad month. There's been some good Septembers too, but we have seasonality kind of fighting us here too. Again, I think the market just needs to kind of continue to take these rests as it tries to get ready to make a run to the next high if it's going to do so. We keep getting reports that show good things for the economy. Today, we had quite low first-time unemployment claims. And so, again, that's a good thing in terms of recession, pushing it farther back. Could be somewhat of a threat for inflation, but we'll see how that goes. But still, things are intact. Nothing's going, wrong here so far. We're just taking a break on our way up to a higher point. Is the picture that you have to have at this point, because there isn't any other picture that the charts are playing out until we start to see lower lows. Okay, so anyway, that's what's happening today. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I do my show tomorrow, Talk Money with Tom, and it's live from 12:15 to 1 o'clock. You can join us on YouTube. Just look up Talk Money with Tom, and we can basically take questions live too, so feel free. But at the beginning of the show, I do a summary for kind of what I saw happening for the week, and so it'll be interesting also. So look forward to talking to you then. Thank you.